Alright, family, so Walmart has their soil on clearance. Now, I love Pro Mix, and I don't have to spend the $14. I'm finna spend that hot $4, and I got 8 bags of Pro Mix. I wish I could have got more. Y'all, they just putting out a pellet of Columundins, Meyer lemons, and limes. And I see they got a few trees back over in there. Oh, y'all, all they fruits and vegetables. All they vegetables, they finna throw them in the garbage. And they said I couldn't get it. They got this Miracle Grow potting mix, $3. Them are the ones going in the garbage right there, y'all. I'm so mad. But yep, Walmart has their soil on sale, on clearance. They need to bring that down to $1.75 or something like that. What is this for $3? Organic potting soil on clearance for $3. What is this on clearance? Rejuvenating potting soil for $3. Says natural and organic gardening. They have this garden soil all-purpose in-ground use. Clearance $1.75. I guess they done got all it. And I see a bag that's busted. Mulch on clearance for $2. I need them 3 bags for the greenhouse floor. But anyway, guys, the soil is on clearance at Walmart. Somebody buy my basket down there. The soil is on clearance at Walmart. You guys go ahead and get you some soil, honey. Peace and blessings.